use of teachers like you and me. Again, as I said, AI is going to replace, not me, the gentleman said AI is going to replace the teachers. Then next one. Enhancing engagement and accessibility. All the student engagement will be done by AI tool. All kind of examination conduction, all type of student related administrative job will be done by AI. All kind of educational planning will be done by AI. Then again, what is the need of you and me? Next. The importance of human teacher. Now I am coming with you. There is no replacement of teachers. There may be thousands of AI, thousands of systems, thousands of advanced technology. No replacement because we are bundle of emotion. Yes. Okay, AI could not give you emotions, a touch, an emotional touch between student and the teacher. We are emotionally connected, you know. With every student, we are emotionally connected. They are like our kid. They are like our children. They are like our daughter. They are like our son. So these kind of machine cannot replace a teacher. That's why that gentleman may say those statements on the basis of commercial prediction. He wants to sell his machine. But as a senior teacher, okay, I'm there in this teaching world since long. Many of you of my daughter age only. So I know there is no replacement of teachers. Okay, that's why never ever bother which AI comes, what kind of computer comes, what kind of technology comes. It is never ever going to affect you. But we have to be alert in this situation. We cannot say nothing, I am doing great. As a teacher, there is no replacement. As I said, these kind of things are going to come. Okay, so during this kind of situation, when these kind of advancements are coming, how we could prepare ourselves? How we can compete with this machine? I'm giving you an example. ATM are everywhere. Okay, once upon a time we used to go to the bank and stand in a queue, wait for our token number. Then we used to get money. Now what happening? Everywhere the ATM has been installed. And many of us even never seen bank for no longer period of time. Once in a year, once in 6 months we visit bank. Otherwise, who is our cashier? ATM. Now my question is, by the installation of ATM, whether banks' jobs are lost? No. There are more branches. There are more banks. I'm telling you, according to this, FDI, foreign direct investment, in coming 5 years, India is going to see 20 banks, 20 multinational banks.